Alan 2K1.
Buddy, you speaking Spanish?
Sí. Hablando español sobre aprender, es una España de Europa. Lo hiciste en este momento, todos los chicos vienen al mundo, pero todos siguen vivos.
Dude, what's that? Screech sounds.
I don't know, it does sometimes like a screech sounds. Maybe it sounds like a roar. Effects. Oh no, it's a dragon! Everyone, calm down. You see this dragon? Dear fella, come here, bless you. Inhale. Everyone, I'd like you to meet Hal as Dragon. Wow, great idea. That's Hal as Dragon. He is a hero or a villain? Hal as Dragon is a hero, but because he becomes a hero, that Battle Hal as Dragon, she is a hero. What are you finding? That may be nice. Let's go! Nine, we're riding a dragon. Yes, I can see that, but how the dragon is flying. So you, Sarasi?
Everyone will have to learn about this. Started by a villains. Attacked by a villains, then shoot the villains by their worst enemies.
Guys, let's remember the finaling ones. It is about to be creatures being a fight battle. Who is a villains? Oh, and Luna, what you have it? Luna, go. Where is a boss? What?